Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the VChain price prediction and its upcoming events. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. VChain adoption takes another step as VET price ponders 26% ascent. VChain use case source as my story is in the second significant adoption. VChain price rose 30% showing signs of life for the first time after market crash on May 19. A 26% upswing pierced the upper band of supply barriers. VeChain has been making headway when it comes to real-world application of its blockchain. My story is one such recent development that presents the use of blockchain to address specific problems. VeChain price seems to be rising after the recent debacle and hints at a continuation of the trend. My story verifying market buzzwords via blockchain. My story is a blockchain based solution that helps an ecosystem of companies turn marketing buzzwords into true verified story. As the name indicates, the assurance solution allows companies to tell their stories and prove the authenticity of their products and services using distributed ledger technology, where data can be stored safely without worrying about manipulation. The announcement reads as the solution used for my story is based on a public decentralized and distributed ledger provided by VeChain, a leading blockchain provider and DNB partner. It is implementable for companies as it is an ecosystem that includes user management and connectivity options for Internet of Things, and it is a scalable and affordable enterprise solution. While the applicants of this are plenty, my story is working with two companies to tell story of Italian wines from grape to bottle and guaranteeing the authenticity of fashionable clothes. Recently, VeChain blockchain was also leveraged by Resi project to end the plastic ocean crisis. The data collected from this community-driven solution is stored on the blockchain. Additionally, Resi received certification from DNV, a VeChain partner, as proof of initiative progress and total collection process. VeChain price continues to, however, the rally slowed down as profit booking intensified around the resistance level at $0.121, which coincides with the 100-day SMA, that is simple moving average. Now, VeChain price could either retrace 12% to the support barrier at 0.0984 and then advance higher or continue its climb from the current position. If the first scenario comes to pass, the buyers will have more time to accumulate, allowing the upswing to have more oomph. In this case, VeChain will first encounter the ceiling at $0.121 coinciding with the 100-day SMA. Breaching this confluence will signal the presence of massive buying pressure, which may help extend this ascent to supply zone ranging from $0.127 to $0.142. All in this move would represent a 45% upswing. However, if the retracement mentioned above fails to manifest, VeChain price might surge 26% to tag the resistance area upper boundary at $0.142. While the VeChain adoption seems to be going well, things might go away if VET price slices below the 0.0825 support level. Such a move would invalidate the bullish thesis detailed above and trigger a 13% sell-off of the 200-day SMA at $0.720. VeChain is a good cryptocurrency to buy at this low price. As of Friday morning, May 21, VeChain cryptocurrency had fallen to 13.28 cents per token. This is a way off its recent highs at 27.8 cents in mid-April. However, this altcoin has a good chance of doing very well the rest of the year. At the end of December 20, it was at 1.9 cents. This means that it is up 598% since then and more than 3000% in the last year from 0.42 cents a year ago. This is an amazing performance and I suspect it foreshadows a good future for the crypto. VeChain's standout features. VeChain focuses as a blockchain platform and related cryptocurrency is on corporate supply chain and logistics. Its main purpose, according to its white paper, is to improve the management of supply chains and related business processes. For example, a large number of enterprises now use VeChain for inventory tracking purpose. The addressable market for VeChain's area of focus could turn out to be quite large. A study from 2020 concluded that 300 billion worth of food could be tracked and traced on the blockchain by 2027. Walmart has partnered with IBM and created the Food Trust blockchain with 9 other food companies to it provides tracking service for 13175 vessels and mobile offshore units. Existing VeChain partnership and large businesses that use VeChain are tracked on a site called VeChainInsider.com. This lists 5 strategic partnerships including DNV, PricewaterhouseCoopers and several Chinese companies. Recently, Decrypt.com wrote about an LA-based vaping company called Puffbar that used VeChain to track counterfeits. In order to tell whether a vape is a knockoff, users take a picture of the UPC code and product. The crypto site can then tell if it is knockoff. VeChain has a proof of authority protocol system. This is an offshoot of the proof of stake system. As a result of its dual token supply structure, the total supply of tokens is slightly inflationary as a result. Look for the token to do very well this year as its blockchain popularity rises. The VeChain dividend. Another perk of VeChain is that it pays a dividend. An offshoot coin called Thor or VThor is paid to every holder of VET tokens. Based on the best article I have found so far on the VeChain dividend, each VeChain owner has the right to receive 0.000432 VThor tokens daily per VET token. Therefore, VThor tokens are worth 4.958 cents per 10,000 VET tokens daily or $18 annually. As 10,000 VET tokens are worth $1,256, the dividend yield is about 1.44% annually. Again, these dividends get paid out to VeChain token owners in VThor tokens. Sunny Liu created VeChain in 2015 and he remains the CEO of VeChain Foundation based in Singapore. Prior to this, he co-founded the Chinese internet firm Quantum, another digital crypto asset. He was previously the CIO and COO of Louis Vuitton China. VeChain has over 90 employees, mostly software developers. In late 2019, VeChain Foundation wallet was hacked and 1.1 billion VET tokens were stable, which were at the time worth 6.53 million. The stolen tokens were tracked by the foundation using a software program from cybersecurity firm Hacken. It also had exchanges blacklist the address associated with the hacker who stole the VeChain tokens. VeChain has a maximum total supply cap of 86.7 billion VeChain tokens. CoinMarketCap reports that 64.3156 billion VET tokens are circulating, which means 25.8% is available to be validated. VeChain does not use mining technology. It is a proof of authority consensus system to validate transactions. There is where a group of masternodes validate all transactions. They are selected by VeChain Foundation and VeChain community after Know Your Customer processes. What to do with VeChain tokens? As more companies begin to use VeChain blockchain to monitor their supply and inventory channels, the VeChain tokens will become prolifically more popular. Look for VeChain to regain its former heights sometime in next year. As a result, this crypto looks like a good buy at this point. So guys, that was all the information about the VeChain token. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video and support my channel. Thank you everyone for watching the video.